Okay, this is Sonest Modern Skills, the best digital training platform in Nigeria. We are fully registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission CAC, having the registration number BN3414194. So, we are the one that will be taking you in different kinds of digital skills, so different kinds of high income skills that will help you to start making any amount of money you want monthly, even while you sleep. Remember, the difference between where you are now and where you want to be is just your action. You cannot continue to sit down, folding your hands, and expect to achieve financial freedom. No, you have to work for it. You have to take actions. The best way to achieving financial freedom is by building a passive income. What is this passive income? Passive income is a regular source that keeps bringing income to you even while you sleep. You don't need much extra effort. It's just a kind of one time effort. To build a passive income, you just need a one time effort. Yes, and your income will continue to flow without any further or much effort again. With the right skills we will teach you here, yes, you will continue to make streams of income daily and steady even while you still sleep without stressing yourself again. Yes. Do you know if a shop owner fails to open his shop for business, yes, for business for 1 week, yes, like a one that has a shop, if he fails to open his shop for 1 week, there would be no way to make income from that business in that week. You understand it? But with this passive income we are going to teach you, you will continue to make your money even if you decide not to work for 1 month. Your money will still be coming. Even if you decide to sleep without doing anything for 1 month, your money will continue to come or flow in. So, who is this training for? Who is this training for? The training is actually for everybody. It is not for any set of people. It is not for the jobless. It is not for those that don't have something doing. It is for every, whether you are working, whether you're a business person, whether you're a student, a core member, NYC member. This training is ideal for you. One interesting thing about the skills we are going to teach you is that they don't stop you from doing other jobs. Yes, they like a kind of side hustle. You can be doing it at your leisure time. It doesn't stop you from that your office work. It doesn't stop you from going to that your shop. It's just an added kind of support to other means of income you have. And these skills are even going to pay you more than other things you've been doing before now. Yet it's still a side hustle. Isn't that so interesting? So, financial freedom. Okay, what is financial freedom? Yes, let me just ask that question. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having enough money which you have saved and invested and would allow you to stop working and enjoy a quality life of your choice. When you have lived up to that level, that you have enough money, you have invested enough money that will stop you working, that will help you to stop working. You don't no more need to work again for you to be able to make your money. You no more need to work, but your money will continue to come to flow and you still be living up to any kind of standard of life you want. Yes, that is what we are talking about. That is what we mean by financial freedom. You may not easily be able to achieve this financial freedom you are talking about through salary work. You may not be able to, it may be very difficult. The best way to achieving this financial freedom is by having a passive income or multiple means of income. So, and that is why we have decided to teach you several kinds of high income skills that will help you to achieve this financial freedom you're talking about. Don't forget, he said We are Sonest Modern Skills. We are highly dedicated to helping the young generation you know help themselves achieve financial freedom without always depending on the government. Take actions now. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be is just your action.